and I'm with Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. I'm here to talk about Peachtree manufacturing training classes. We offer these classes in Chicago, Detroit, Atlanta, St. Louis, Tampa, Dallas, and a few other small markets. Our Peachtree software manufacturing class, also known as Stage 50 Manufacturing, covers purchasing inventory, building and selling inventory, job cost considerations. It also reviews enhanced bill of materials, manufacturing work tickets, how to create reports, things like assembly planning, component pick list, deficient components. It also talks about setting up quantity-based price breaks, as well as interfacing these solutions with e-commerce sites. We also leave time at the end of the class for questions and answers. So if you'd like to learn how to use the inventory and assembly management tools found in Peachtree software, currently known as Stage 50, it's the Advanced Operational Reporting, you can give us a call. Again, my name is Jen, and I'm with Accounting Business Solutions by JCS, and you can reach me at solutions@jcscomputer.com or by calling us at 800-475-1047. We'd like to talk to you about your Peachtree software manufacturing training needs, now known as Stage 50. This is Jen, and I'm signing off for this session. Thanks, and have a great day.